Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word seitan in depth. First, the definition. Seitan means a wheat-based meat substitute used in vegetarian and vegan cooking. Think of it simply as a plant-based protein that looks and feels like meat. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. Seitan traces back to ancient China and has been used for over 1,000 years. Over time, it's been used by vegetarians and vegans worldwide. The word is carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So how do you use seitan in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. Seitan is a popular, protein-rich alternative to meat in many vegan dishes. Correct example 2. Many restaurants now offer seitan as a tasty plant-based option. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to seitan my homework, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using seitan correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. Seitan means a wheat-based meat substitute used in vegetarian and vegan cooking. It comes from ancient China, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with seitan down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.